We've all experienced like cell, data fail essentially, and if we move all this stuff up into the cloud, is that sort of a big obstacle that we sort of have to become better cell service in order to actually get the stuff within the cloud? Go ahead.
I think that if you look at the vast majority of the apps on your smartphone, they kind of require connectivity to work anyhow. And so, data failure or not, or cloud or app based, you still have to have that pipe in the background. I can make the most beautiful app in the world. If there's no way that it can talk to the car can talk to the network as well, then really you've kind of lost the reason for it to begin. So, like these guys are talking about, I think that if you look at the applications that are out there that don't require connectivity, they're still kind of scrambling to get on. I think games is probably the biggest type of application, and they're all trying to become part of the network. You look at iPhone's Game Center; they all sit there and create kind of a social network behind that. Still requires the connectivity.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's going to be a big loss.
Sean, you guys have been, to some extent, you've been like dealing with these connectivity issues for a very, very long time, and the sort of map in the car actually is something that's existed for quite some time and has been real time and everything for a long time. How have you seen? The features? Have you been able to like sort of increase features based on more data available, or has it sort of stayed the same, or how do you see that?
Well, the way we've gotten around it, both from a content and an advertising perspective, is to cache the data down on the device or in the application, in particular for a map. So we can offer that content in various flavors, but when you do have smartphones and other devices that could lose connectivity, then having some level of that data already residing. So if you are navigating or getting traffic data, we'll give it out for a certain radius. Kind of anticipating you can go in all these various directions, here's some data, and then hopefully that data connection will kind of pick up again. The same thing for our offers and ads. We have the ability to cache that data down. I think in particular in Europe, where folks are very conscious of data rates because of their models there. Constantly having chatter back and forth with the server is a problem. And so being able to put some of that down locally or pull what you need only are things that we can offer as well. So we kind of learned from the map for a lot of years and are implementing that in other parts of our business.